Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Then you need to scroll down and click on Accessibility Features. Now select one-handed mode over here and tap on this gray sweater in order to activate it. Now follow all of those instructions. I have tricky navigation, so I have to follow all of those. Slide your finger across the bottom of your screen. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. In order to go back, click on this black area. If you wish to use your phone with your left hand, you need to do the same to the left. Then go back by clicking on black area as well. Now to disable one-handed mode completely, click on the same no blue sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!